Are you a ClickFunnels 2.0 user, or are you thinking about investing in ClickFunnels? Well, stay tuned because I'm about to show you a tip where you're going to save yourself so much time and energy when it comes to editing and managing your funnels down the line, especially when it comes to style and branding. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with ClickFunnels, right now we are looking inside my ClickFunnels account. This is my my equestrian profile, and I want to show you, we are looking at the site right now, and as you can see in the right-hand corner over here, there is the current theme called Hero Theme. Now, this is something so simple that if you do this immediately when you set up your ClickFunnels account, then what's going to happen is every single time you create a new funnel, that your funnel will automatically be branded and with the right coloring, the right fonts, and the buttons, everything that you want out of your funnels that has to do with how your brand looks, feels, smells, tastes, all of the above, is going to magically, so you could download a funnel template, but it would automatically be in your own personal branded style. Now, this is something so simple, it'll take you 2 to 5 minutes to set up, but it's going to save you so much time, energy, and hours on the back end, because any of us that have been building funnels for like 10 years, we all know that we had to go through each individual funnel every time we wanted to make a new one, and we had to literally rebrand, and we had to be consistent about it, but more importantly, we had to click the same buttons over and over and over again. So I just want to show you how you can click a few buttons and save yourself tons of time later having to click the same buttons. So here we go. Now, so we're looking at my site right now, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the workspace settings. Now, for each individual brand, you can have multiple accounts in your, you can access multiple different brands within your ClickFunnels account, and each of these can be given its own style. So here's how this works. You're going to spend a few minutes and you're going to go through all of these individual menus, and what you're going to do is you're going to assign what your preferred headline font is, your preferred subheadline font, and your preferred content font. Now, of course, when you go into these individually, you have a lot of customization options available here. Now, of course, when you go into your funnel, these are editable after the fact, but this is just so you can create a branded template. And when you create new funnels, they are automatically given whatever style guide that you create for your business brand. But ultimately, what this does is it saves you so much time, energy, and effort on the back end, so you don't have to continue to keep rebranding all of your funnels. All you have to do is select the style guide for that particular funnel, and you're off to the races. So as I said, you're going to set your fonts, you're going to set your colors, and you're going to set all these other the buttons. You're going to set all of these individual elements with your own branding and style. And what's going to happen then is when you go to create your funnel, it's automatically going to be branded the way that you preferred. Now, I'm going to go back into this color menu really fast, because say you put all of your colors in and you're like, I don't know what I want to do, because what you're going to do is go individually into each of these 5 different menu types, and you could change whatever you want within any of these things and create a way. Again, this is very template, and you don't actually have to keep everything this way. This is just so when you create the funnel, about 85 to 90% of the heavy weightlifting is done for you, because you've already told the style guide what your brand needs to represent. So this video does not need to be super long, because if you really want more in-depth help and guidance, then I highly recommend you sign up for my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, which is linked down below. But for the purposes of this video, I just want to show you that when you create your very own style guide, that you're going to save a ton of time and effort when you're creating your funnels. Since I already went through and did the style guide for myself, now I'm going to show you what happens when we create the funnel, select the style guide, and how it automatically is going to be created in the style in which we've set. So say we're going to create a lead funnel, meaning that all we want to do is collect emails. As you can see, there are plenty of templates here for us to pick from. Just for argument's sake, we are going to go ahead and select the first one. So just to show you how powerful this really is, the first thing we're going to do is look at the preview of what it looks like as default. So it's very simple because all we're trying to do on this page is collect emails. It's very simple. So with that being said, okay, so when you come up here to settings, you're going to go ahead and select the style guide that you want. Of course, you are welcome to have way more than one style guide, as you can see from my account. But when we open the preview now we see that there is a difference, right? This is based on the style guide, and this is also very editable. So when we come in here and we want to edit, say we want, we want to override the style guide, we can change the font, we can change the color, we can change anything really. So the point being, and because everything is already branded and aligned with what you have told ClickFunnels is your brand style, then you're going to just save yourself tons of time and effort down the road, so you don't have to change. You are going to have to go through and edit every single funnel. However, you're going to save yourself a ton of time if you're at least starting with the fonts and the colors that you like. So with that being said, I hope this has helped. And I know if you implement this, then you're going to save yourself a ton of time and effort with every funnel, not only that you create today, but that you create in the future. However, some of you might be like, I don't know what colors to use for my brand. So with that being said, if that's you, then make sure you check out this next video where I show you the Canva color wheel, and it's literally all you have to do is pick one color, and it's literally going to spit out all the best colors to pair with your preferred brand color. So I hope this has helped, and I know the next one's going to help, so I'll see you there. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.